Hello and welcome back. This is another installment of a beautiful recipe utilizing the star of the show, Bottarga. This time we're using Bottarga Polverales, which is a pre-grated scray. That's Norwegian cod Bottarga made from its roe, provided by Bottarga Borealis company from Tromsø, Norway. Okay, this is delicious stuff, and it's going to make a beautiful addition to these crab and Bottarga stuffed jalapeno poppers. Okay, with Cinco de Mayo right around the corner, what better way to celebrate? Have some Mexican inspired food and use some delicious Bottarga. Alright, we've got some two brands of white lump crab meat. We've got Roland and Chicken of the Sea. We've got 2 packs of pre-softened Philadelphia cream cheese. We got jalapenos, these beautiful jalapenos that we're going to stuff, and we got many more off camera. We've got about a cup and a half of quesadilla cheese. That's a very nice Mexican melting cheese. We have a teaspoon of sweet smoked Spanish paprika, a teaspoon of ground coriander, and half a teaspoon of cumin. We've also got some fresh chives, which we're going to dice up and add to the mixture. So let's go ahead and do some prep work, and I'll show you how this delicious stuff is done. These are going to be great appetizers. Go ahead and make our delicious mixture. What we have here is 2 bricks of softened Philly cream cheese, which we're going to use a potato masher. I've found that is typically the most convenient instrument to use. And to that we're going to add all our delicious stuff. Spices. Bottarga. Yum. Chives. Crab meat, and queso quesadilla. Let's go ahead and get that incorporated, and I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, and here's our delicious mix. It smells wonderful and tastes heavenly. That Bottarga has really taken this mix over the top. It promises to be delicious. So let's go ahead and get our jalapenos stuffed and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so we got our baking sheet that I've shot with some cooking spray. We're going to get our jalapeno, and with a spoon we're going to pack that deliciousness in there nicely, and we want it to have a smooth top because we're going to garnish it after they're done cooking. Okay, oh, this is so beautiful. And I want you guys to go to dukesgourmet.com and send Hanny some love. Check out his website, all the good stuff they have to sell. Duke's Gourmet is a supporter of this channel and a provider of delicious ingredients, and he certainly deserves my thanks and the credit for these great recipes. So let's go ahead and finish them up. And here we go. Alright, our oven's preheated. Let's go ahead and get them in and bake them till they're nice and brown and bubbly. And here they are right out of the oven. Delicious. Man, they smell good. Let's go ahead and plate them up and start garnishing them. Okay, we've got 2 different garnishes here that we're going to use. One is guacamole, which we'll put on like so. Oops, that's a big piece of avocado there. Okay. Another one is salsa, which we'll put on like so. And each one's going to get a nice little piece of cilantro. Just a nice touch for beautification purposes. Okay, let's get all the rest done. And there you have it. Crab and Bottarga jalapeno poppers. Thanks a lot to Bottarga Borealis and Duke's Gourmet for the Bottarga. And thanks for watching. You all have a great day. Take care.